Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. Today I'm going to be showing you a traditional Tamilian style Nokol and potato mutton curry. In Bangalore, we are a set of Tamil mudaliars who settled here for a very long time, and we use a lot of vegetables in our mutton curries and mutton dishes basically. So the mutton gravy that you get outside of Bangalore is different, completely different, and what we prepare here in Bangalore is completely different. So my mother has already started to peel this nokol. Nokol is a combination of chow chow, which is also known as Bangalore katrika or Bangalore brinjal, and radish. Nokol is very easily available. I have had many Europeans and Australians come on my food walks. They said that Nokol is very easily available in Australia and US. So I do know that Nokol is available everywhere. So if you find Nokol, do prepare it. So when I normally say that I use one large potato, I use three Nokols, three medium Nokols. So that's the reason I'm showing everything in detail. I'm showing what my mother is peeling and chopping. So we don't have an exact sort of a measurement. It's just eyeballing and using all the ingredients. So this nokol is somewhere around 250 grams and one large potato is what we used. We have peeled the nokol, washed it thoroughly, and we are slicing it. It's about half-inch slices of nokol pieces that we are going to add in the mutton curry. So a lot of Tamilians who came here to Bangalore or settled in Karnataka, they were here for farming, and they were also money lenders. So that's the reason these sort of curries existed and evolved around many years. So we were all from the farming community basically. So once we chopped the potato, we added to a tub of water to avoid discoloration. And we have also prepared a paste using fresh coconut and a fistful of coriander leaves. For thickening any gravies in South India, let it be any uh, curries basically, we use fresh coconut and finely chopped coriander. It enhances the flavor. I've added the chopped fresh coconut to a mixer jar, and along with that I've added some water. Just ground it into a smooth paste and I've reserved it. If you go up north, you will find curries are reduced using wheat flour and cashew nuts. We are also using sheep meat for this recipe. Meat is already washed and reserved, and the potatoes are already chopped into cubes and reserved in a tub of water. I've also reserved 2 sprigs of curry leaves and sliced onions, 2 slit chilies. The coconut paste is ready for the gravy. So prepare this ahead of time. In my basics of Indian cooking recipe, I've already shown you how to prepare the green chili masala paste. I'll post the link for that in the description box below, or you can click the icard above this video which will link you to that recipe. Prepare that ahead of time. I've already prepared that green chili masala paste recipe and reserved it. I'm going to divide and add the spices: cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and bay leaf. For the mutton, where I'm going to cook the mutton, and later on for the gravy. For the gravy, I have reserved some coriander powder, and we also require turmeric and chili powder. Very basic sort of ingredients that I'm using for this recipe. Now I'm going to start preparing the mutton first. We'll cook the mutton and then we'll start preparing the curry. In the pressure pan, I've added 1 tablespoon of oil. To the oil, I've added 2 cloves, 2 cardamom pods, 1 stick of cinnamon. I'm going to transfer the washed mutton to the pressure pan and fry the meat for a minute's time. Normally if you add meat to a very hot pan or a wok, it will stick to the bottom. Don't worry, allow it to cook for a minute's time. It will release its juices and the meat will automatically release. I've also added the salt, turmeric powder, chili powder and the prepared masala paste, green chili masala paste. Green chili masala paste already contains fennel, peppercorns, ginger garlic paste, chilies. So it's a very flavorful spicy masala. prepare that ahead of time. We prepare it in bulk and we store it. We use it for many recipes. Now once the mutton sort of releases its juices, it will automatically be easy for you to stir it and coat the masala. At that point, add water and cover the mutton. I cooked my meat for about 2 to 3 minutes approximately, and once the masala paste is evenly covered, the meat juices have also released. At that point, I've added 2.5 cups of water. I'm going to place a cover on this pressure pan and also place the whistle. Place it on high flame and cook it for 5 whistles. Once the meat has cooked for 5 whistles, I removed it from the flame, allowed the excess pressure to release, and I've opened the pressure cooker just to check if the meat has cooked or not. If it's not cooked, I'll be placing it back on the stove and cook it till it's tender. Now the meat has cooked. Now we'll prepare the curry. I'll start preparing the meat curry. I've placed a heavy bottom pressure cooker. You can use a pressure pan or a heavy bottom pot. We have placed it on medium flame. Now to the pressure pan I've added sunflower oil and the remaining spices, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon and bay leaf. I've allowed the spices to splutter and added the sliced onions, slit green chilies, curry leaves. Going to fry the onions and curry leaves till the onions turn transparent. Once the onion turns transparent, I've added the coriander powder. Coriander powder gives a good taste and body once you add it to the mutton curry. Now I just fry the coriander powder till the raw flavor has gone, and then added the cooked meat to the onion masala, and I'm going to bring it to a boil. Now to the meat I've also added the green chili masala paste that we prepared earlier. Now once we add the vegetables, boiled potatoes, the nokol, it will start to absorb all the masalas and the salt. So add excess green chili masala paste and salt to the mutton curry. So as the vegetables cook, it will absorb all the salt and chilies. I'm going to add water, allow it to cook. Now the potatoes and the nokol should cook till it's tender. Allow the potato and nokol to cook on medium flame till it's tender. Once the nokol and potato has cooked, add the ground coconut paste that we prepared earlier. I'll give it a good stir and also add a 1/4 cup of water. I'll adjust the gravy consistency. The coconut has to boil and the raw flavor from the coconut has to reduce. So if you're preparing coconut curries, you will know once the raw flavor has reduced. As I said before, the salt was not enough in the mutton curry, so add excess salt while you're preparing the curry. I've got this coconut curry to a rapid boil and allow the raw flavor to reduce. Once the raw flavor from the coconut curry has reduced, my meat nokol Kolrabi or the meat and nokol mutton gravy is ready. I've added a little bit of lime juice and sprinkled coriander, and I'm going to serve it with steam cooked rice. The recipe in detail is posted in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will link you to my blog. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links to my social media will also be posted in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. I've gone ahead and served it with steam cooked rice, some carrot raita and yogurt, buttermilk. It turned out really good. We enjoyed it. It's a nutritious and a wonderful mutton curry. Do give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed watching my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidyalakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.